Hi, this is Mrs. Truesdale. I'm here as promised to show you how to pin my drawing screen so that your child can see that big when I'm projecting what I'm drawing. So what you want to do when we are together, we'll see all the children's screens smaller up at the top. But since only myself and teacher Truzy is on here, it doesn't look like that. But it would be all of the 20 kids in our class. Scroll through all those pictures until you see the one named Teacher Truzy. That is me drawing. And then you're going to hover over the right hand corner, not press anything, but just hover, and then the three dots will pop up. People were saying they couldn't see the three dots this morning. Here they are right here. They pop up in the corner. Click them, and then you'll see some choices. Go down to pin the video. And when you pin that video, they should be seeing what I'm drawing as the big screen. And then when you want to unpin the video, just go up to the safety pin on the left-hand side and unpin my video. And then it'll go back to showing the person who's talking as the biggest. Thank you so much for a great class today. Remember to minimize the background noise. It was very hard for me to hear the students, and I couldn't have a lot of interaction because many people were talking in the background. So please make sure that you are not talking in the background while your child is learning. Thank you so much, and we'll see you tomorrow.